Good morning, Mark here. What I have here today is a Florida Keys uh, 4-blade 52-inch ceiling fan, brand new in the box. Did not include blades, so I've taken the blades, the used blades, off of my Key Largo or Fasco Boca Raton that Spiffy was kind enough to give me. And You can see the uncanny resemblance between this and a Key Largo. So I had kind of an inkling the blades would fit, but um, I guess the American companies crossbred just as much as the Taiwanese and Hong Kong and Chinese companies do. But uh, yeah, the fan itself, brand new in the box. I have no idea. I couldn't find a year anywhere. Um, don't know how old. I'm assuming if it was made in America, it had to have been 80s. But when I go back to the habitat I picked it up at, I remember there was a random set of blades off in this away from the ceiling fans that I just noticed out of the corner of my eye, and I'm gonna when I go back there on Saturday tomorrow. Um, with Emmanuel and Brandon, I'm hoping to see if I can snag a set of those, snag the blades if they're there, because they might. I didn't even notice it was nondescript box, so I'm assuming they're probably the ones that go to this, but only time will tell. These will suffice for the meantime. But yeah, it's let's take it for a spin. Not too bad. It moves some decent air. Medium moves some decent air too. This is my favorite out of all the settings. I think it looks so cool on, just spinning slowly. I can imagine something like this in even a restaurant or a greenhouse or something. Give you a look at the top. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and keep your eyes on the skies.